I mean, we all have some or the other favorite Amir Khan film or a favorite Amir Khan scene. I'm sure you do. You have your own favorites of your own work. But if now, as a matured 60-year-old Amir, if you had to go back in history and reshoot any one of your scenes, which one would you reshoot and what would you change, if at all?
Rang De Basanti is the film. And the scene where Sue and I come back, after Vaida ji has been hit on the head and she's in hospital, she's in coma. And I come in with her and then we've got some food and there's all chaos because there's been a lathi charge and, everyone's injured. And as I start eating, I also break down. That scene I was not very happy with. And I felt that scene should have come out better. So that's the scene I would reshoot.
Are your kids also interested?
And actually that incident taught me a very big lesson. Actually हुआ क्या था कि that was one of the toughest scenes of the film for me, and I had been playing it in my mind for a long time. And I told Mehra that I don't want to rehearse this scene on the day. On the day I want to just shoot. So he said okay. So I said one day before we'll go and do the blocking. And ideally if you can do a 2-3 camera setup, then I'll do it in one go. And then you capture the different, image sizes that you want in one go. So we had gone a previous day, did the breakdown, and I had tested myself, am I emotionally ready for this scene? So I'd let myself go a little bit. And then I pulled back. I said, yeah, I'm ready. And then that night I was thinking about the scene and it was all playing out how I would do it in my head. And next morning I was really ready for the scene. जैसे ग्लास एकदम ब्रिम तक भरा हुआ है, अभी छलकेगा. So I was there. And I came to the shoot and I sat in my makeup room and suddenly I noticed on the wall they have hung some clothes which are the wrong clothes. Continuity के कपड़े गलत थे. So I called the assistant. I said, these are wrong clothes. I'm wearing other clothes in this scene. He said, no sir, we've changed the order of shooting. We are shooting some other scene first. So I said, oh, why? Aren't we shooting that scene? He said, no, Mehra and, Binod had some discussion. Binod is the DOP. So I called Mehra. Mehra said, यार Binod बोल रहा है हम लोग अगर night से शुरू करेंगे तो फिर वो 1.5 दिन, we'll lose 1.5 days. When you shift the lighting and all that. So, my training is of an assistant. So losing 1.5 days is like, disastrous. So I said, अच्छा. So I gave in. I said, ठीक है, चलो, we'll change the schedule, we'll do what you want to do. And then this scene came 4 days later. I should have never agreed because the scene never came out the way I wanted it.
Yeah.
क्या है वो misfire हो गया? वो एक timing होती है. I could never reach the emotional level that I had wanted in my head, which I had imagined. So that taught me a lesson that when you're creatively ready for something, when you have to choose between something that is creative and something that's practical, always be impractical and choose the creative one, because I regret doing that.
Yeah, no, that's a very good lesson for anything, not just films.